Since I started wearing my topper, it's hard to describe how it makes you feel. It gives you brand new life. I feel like myself, like I feel so good. It's just really hard to describe how good I feel. Every topper I have is from Uniwigs. I put it on, I was like, oh.
Yeah.
It doesn't make you really emotional because it just makes you like, oh my gosh, this is what I've been wanting back for so long, and it just makes you feel so good. My name is Nachol and I am from Salt Lake City, Utah. I started losing my hair, I noticed in my early 20s, and it just continued to get worse after every pregnancy that I've had, so pretty much my 20s. I was diagnosed with PCOS, and that's been a big journey. And now my daughter has it, and now she's starting what I went through, so that has me really nervous for her. But it was pretty devastating. It was very stressful, not knowing what was happening, and it was pretty rough. Everybody was very supportive. It was hard for them to understand exactly how I was feeling. When you're not going through it yourself, it's a little bit harder to understand, but I did have and do have a lot of support, a lot from my family. I started my hair topper journey pretty recently. It just started in December. It was my first time putting it on and leaving my house. So pretty recently. The first time I put it on and left the house, I would have to say I was really nervous. I was really nervous that everybody was gonna notice, and I was feeling really self-conscious, and yeah, but it was fun. It was exciting too. Every topper I have is from Uniwigs. Espresso brown, I have the mousse brown, I have the truffle brown, and I wear them all. I really love the Courtney, and I really love the Aida. Also love I have the Aura. I love that one. Well, it sounds funny too, but I don't care about my hair loss anymore. That might sound strange, but I have this, and I feel so good that if my hair keeps coming out, I'm okay, because I have this to cover it up, and I'm totally good with it. From being really self-conscious to feeling like amazing. You feel so good about yourself. You're your old self, the person that you always wanted to be, so it feels great. Everybody tells me, oh, you can switch it up, and it's like, yes, I can. I can change my color, I can change the cut, no problem.